Welcome to the TechMinds channel, where innovation meets the extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cutting-edge machines that redefine the limits of technology. Buckle up as we explore the unique features and capabilities of the top 20 TechMinds machines. Number 1, kicking off our list, is the Road Zipper Mobile Barrier System, a true marvel in traffic management. This innovative system utilizes a specialized vehicle equipped with a barrier transfer mechanism, allowing for the efficient and rapid adjustment of traffic lanes. With its ability to create temporary barriers, the Road Zipper ensures smoother traffic flow during construction or events, making it an indispensable tool for urban planning and road safety. Number 2, next up, we have the Alkins EC6000, a powerhouse in the realm of construction equipment. This versatile machine combines efficiency and precision, excelling in various construction tasks, whether it's excavation, grading, or material handling. The EC6000 is designed to tackle diverse challenges, showcasing its prowess as an all-in-one construction solution. Number 3, embracing winter with the TV1000 Plus Performance Line Snowblower. This high-performance snow clearing machine is a game-changer in cold climates with its cutting-edge technology. The TV1000 Plus effortlessly handles heavy snowfall, ensuring clear pathways and enhanced safety during winter storms. Watch as it transforms snowy landscapes into orderly, snow-free zones. Number 4, dive into the aquatic world with the Watermaster, a machine designed for versatility on water. This floating marvel is a master in various water-based tasks, from dredging and excavating to environmental maintenance. Its amphibious design allows it to navigate seamlessly between land and water. Number 5, Wrecker DGT. Meet the Wrecker DGT, a heavy-duty wrecker and recovery machine that's ready to tackle the toughest challenges on the road. With its robust design and powerful capabilities, the Wrecker DGT is the go-to solution for recovering stranded vehicles, clearing accident scenes, and ensuring swift and safe road clearance in emergency situations. Number 6, Libra P995 Latronic Ponin Excavato, a precision instrument in the world of excavation. This excavator combines advanced technology with unparalleled digging capabilities, offering operators precision control and enhanced efficiency, whether it's digging trenches or handling complex excavation tasks. The Libra P995 is a true performer in the field. Number 7, introducing the WRR, a cold recycler with a milling and mixing rotor that's redefining road construction. This machine excels in reclaiming and recycling asphalt pavement materials, contributing to sustainable and eco-friendly road construction practices. Witness the WRR in action as it efficiently mills, mixes, and paves the way for a greener and more efficient road infrastructure. Number 8, venture into the heart of the forest with the EHF 150 Turbo, a forestry excavator from Eker All GmbH, engineered for forestry operations. This machine combines power and agility to handle tasks such as tree harvesting and land clearing with precision. The EHF 150 Turbo is a key player in sustainable forestry practices, promoting responsible land management. Number 9, explore the innovative world of Etera, a manufacturer specializing in durable and innovative attachments for various machines, from excavator buckets to specialized tools. Etera's attachments are engineered to enhance the capabilities of heavy machinery across different industries. Discover how Etera is shaping the future of machine attachments. Number 10, prepare for the Max Wild, a machine that lives up to its name by pushing the boundaries of wildland firefighting. Engineered to combat wildfires with efficiency and speed, the Max Wild is equipped with advanced firefighting technology and maneuverability. Join us as we witness how this machine plays a crucial role in safeguarding natural landscapes and communities from the destructive force of wildfires. Number 11 now, let's dive into the HRVB Hydraulic Vacuum Bucket, a machine designed to revolutionize material handling with its hydraulic-powered vacuum system. This bucket effortlessly lifts, and transports various materials, providing a clean and efficient solution for industrial applications. Number 12. Meet the EcoVolve Ed 1000, a compact and electrically powered dumper that's redefining material transport on construction sites with its emission-free operation and agile design. The ED1000 is an eco-friendly alternative for hauling materials in tight spaces. Witness its versatility and efficiency as it navigates through construction sites with ease. Number 13. Step into the world of green maintenance with the Mulag Eco 1200 Plus mower. This specialized machine is designed for precision mowing and vegetation control in various environments. Its advanced features and maneuverability make it an ideal choice for maintaining landscapes with efficiency and precision. Number 14. Explore the capabilities of the Wallenstein WP525, a powerful wood processor designed for efficiency in firewood production. With its robust construction and innovative features, this machine excels in splitting and processing wood, providing a reliable solution for individuals and businesses in the forestry industry. Number 15. Unleash the power of the Olympic Zeus, a machine designed for heavy-duty material handling in challenging environments. With its advanced hydraulics and robust build, this industrial powerhouse tackles tasks such as loading and unloading heavy materials with ease. Join us as we witness the strength and agility of the Olympic Zeus in action. Number 16. Get ready to dig deep with the steel wrist V ditch bucket, a specialized attachment for excavators. This bucket is designed for precision digging and shaping, making it an essential tool for creating ditches and trenches. Discover how the V-shaped design enhances digging capabilities, making it a valuable asset in various excavation projects. Number 17. Introducing the Terex MHL 350, a versatile material handler that excels in recycling and waste management applications. With its articulated design and powerful reach, this machine efficiently handles a variety of materials, contributing to sustainable waste processing and recycling practices. Number 18. Step into the world of surface mining with the OneSMT 1500 Surface Miner, a machine designed for efficient and precise material extraction. This miner utilizes advanced cutting technology to extract minerals and materials from the Earth's surface, showcasing the future of environmentally conscious mining practices. Number 19. Say goodbye to stubborn tree stumps with the Stump Grinder, a specialized machine designed for efficient stump removal. With its powerful cutting mechanism, this grinder makes quick work of tree stumps, leaving behind clear spaces for landscaping and construction projects. Number 20. Concluding our journey, we have the Tree Trunk Shredder, a machine that transforms tree trunks into valuable wood chips. This shredder is designed for forestry and landscaping applications, providing an eco-friendly solution for recycling tree trunks into usable materials. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.